Our liver has to work better. Our kidney has to work really well. Liver and kidney both are filter organs. If they do not work, the body cannot detox all the toxin, the chemicals out of our system. Okay. Your lymphatic system, which we will talk about, your lungs, your stomach, your small intestine, large intestine, gallbladder, all these are important for us to function, to filter out, to increase our immune system. Okay, so you cannot overemphasize on that one. A lot of doctors, when you go to them, they aim to kill the cancer cell, chemo, radiation. Not only do they kill the bad cell, all the organs are being killed at the same time. Okay, so you're destroying your organ at the same time. That's why a lot of people, they just die doing chemotherapy and radiation therapy. All right, so organs are important. You got to take care of your organs. If a doctor says you got to remove that organs, think twice. Look for more opinions, because these are important for you. Okay, lymphatic system, blood circulation is so important because they help to drain off your bad stuff in your body. They help you drain. Okay, the lymphatic system is just like blood system. It's all over the body. There are lymph in every single organ, every single muscle, and the lymph drainage has to be open. Has to be, in order for the cancer cell to drain off. For breast cancer, the very first thing they attack is the lymph nodes. Okay, actually all the cancer cells, the very first thing they attack is lymph node. If lymph node doesn't work, the cancer cell, they go through the lymph node and go through the entire body. That's how they spread. In the blood as well too. Okay, anemia. The red blood cells, which you see here, red blood cells. The function of the red blood cell is to carry oxygen. If there is no oxygen, if there is not enough red blood cell in your body, there's not enough oxygen. Okay, that's what we call anemia. When you have anemia, it means that your body is missing certain nutrient. The body cannot produce the red blood cell. Red blood cells are produced in bone marrow, so there's something wrong with your bone. Okay, and it's produced by other organs like spleen and the liver. So if your body cannot produce red blood cell, oxygen will not be there. Without oxygen, cancer, they thrive. So the red blood cell has to be healthy and abundant as well. Okay, what is this? Electricity. A body consists of two kinds of electricity. One is good, one is bad. Good electricity is where you go out in the mountains, in the woods, when you hike, when you are one with the natures. The electricity of the earth, or gravity, or whatever you call it, the good energy of the earth is a good electricity. The good energy of the earth will help us thrive, will help us grow healthier, better, right? But if you stay in the house all day and play with your iPad, play with your iPhone, if you carry your iPhone with you in the pocket 24 hours a day, and when you sleep, your iPhone is right beside your bed, the EMF that produced out of the iPad, iPhone, the phone, the TV is going to interfere with your system. The body's going to grow tumors. Cancer cell is going to thrive. Because the EMF literally will suppress your immune system, will decrease the function of every organ in your body, will suppress the nerve activity in your body as well too, the brain activity, the brain signal, all that is going to suppress it very, very bad. Okay, without a good function, the cancer cell, they grow. You gotta avoid that. You have to avoid that. Not to mention the Wi-Fi's. There are Wi-Fi tower everywhere in the U.S. There's no way. Okay, it's very hard to escape. That's why I will teach you on how to take care of that when you continue watching this. Okay. Now the Wi-Fi has affected not only human, but has affected every single living thing. For example, the bees. Right, the population of the bees affected by the Wi-Fi is so bad that it's down 60–70%. The population, the bee population. Okay, the bird population. All the flying avian, the birds are affected by the Wi-Fi as well too. All the insects on the earth, on the ground is affected by Wi-Fi. All the trees are affected by Wi-Fi. Everything's around us affected. Okay, so we humans are literally destroying our own earth. Okay, that's how bad it is. All right, emotion issue. Stress is a big factor in causing cancer, and causing all kind of disease. And there are tons of research on that. And there are stories where people have cancer and they pray and the cancer is gone. And there are stories where people have cancer, they just drop everything, they go on vacation, the rest of their life, the cancer is good. Why? Because when the stress level is there, again, stress suppresses every single immune system. When stress is gone, your immune system gets better. It destroys the cancer cell. It kills off the tumor. Okay, I'm not saying like it's every case like that, but there are a few cases, right? A few exceptional cases like that. Okay, if you research it, you can just kind of look through all the stories, and you'll see. That's the reason why we emphasize on emotions, stress. Okay, for example, your liver stores all the anger emotion. Your kidney stores all the fear emotion. Your spleen, stomach, pancreas stores all the anxiety or the worry emotions. There are ways which I will also teach you to find out what kind of emotion you have and how we could do to get rid of it. There are methods, there are techniques, there are machines that help you to get rid of all the stresses and all the emotion from your body. Okay, and that's another way to relieve. To increase immune system so the body can heal itself. Sleep. Do you ever sleep? Do you sleep well? I would say 50% or more of the population now a day, they do not sleep very well. They get up 3 times, 4 times a night to get up to the bathroom. They just wake up, they couldn't go back to bed. They sleep very shallow. They wake up with every sound. If they do wake up, they couldn't fall asleep anymore. And that's a huge issue. Do you know that sleep heals? Body heals when you sleep. Don't you know that? Do you sleep well? If you do not sleep well, your cancer will never get better. No matter what you do, chemo, radiation, drugs, whatever you do, it will not get better. You have to be able to sleep. You have to be. And there are ways that will teach you. I will show you how to make you sleep, how to make you sleep like a baby. Sleep very well so the body can heal. Constipation. Do you go to the bathroom once a week to poop? We have patients like that. Okay, once every 10 days to poop. Our body are designed to poop every day. And pooping is to take away all the toxin, all the waste material from our body. If your waste material and toxicity remains in your intestine, large intestine, don't you think they're gonna start moving around the body? In the blood, the lymphatic system is gonna be all over the body. And think about it, if you put a cooked food outside, right, in a hot environment, how many days does it take to grow mold? 2-3 days. Fungus grows, right? So if the waste material stay in your body for more than 3 days, 4 days, the fungus is going to grow in your body. It's going to grow in your digestive system. From the fungus, not only fungus, bacteria, viral, parasite, whatever, it's going to grow. Do you think it's going to cause cancer? Do you think it's going to be going all over your blood and the lymphatic system, and cancer cells is going to increase and you're going to grow tumor? Think about it. Of course. Okay, so we will teach you how to make sure you poop every day. There are ways, there are supplements, there are herbs that kind of help your body to flush so you can poop every day. Okay, cancer is like an onion. It's never, ever, ever one cause, never. Any disease, any kind of disease, it's like a multiple layers of things that we just talk about. From the inflammation all the way down to constipation, we talk about every single layer that causes cancer. So our body is like an onion. If you want your body to get better, if you want immune system to get better, if you want to get healthy, if you want your cancer to get better, we got to make sure we take out every single layer that's causing the cancer. Every single layer. Toxicity, sugar, pH, sleep, constipation, organ, stresses, emotions, food, diet. Everything has to be adjusted. Your entire life, your entire habit have to adjust. Okay? Exercise, get in the sun, go out and having good energy, take away the EMFs. They all are considered layers and layers and layers of issue. Okay, we gotta take them out in order for the cancer, in order to improve your system, for the body to attack the cancer cell. Okay. Again, we do not treat cancer. We're not like an oncologist. Use chemo, use radiation, use drugs to treat cancer. No, we don't. Cancer cannot be killed. No matter what you do. Okay, if doctor claim that you're cancer-free, they're lying to you because our body is going to have cancer. They're a cancer cell. From the beginning you're born until you die, they're a cancer cell. Okay? It's just it's your immune system. The only question is your immune system strong enough? Is your immune system strong enough to overcome the cancer cell? That should be the goal. That should be the aim of every doctor, to help you increase your immune system, to help your body to fight against cancer. That should be the goal. Not to target, not to kill the not to kill the cancer cell. Not to kill the whole body cell, not to kill the entire body. Okay. When I talk about blood tests, there are a lot of ways we can find out whether you have, the stuff we talk about, the parasite, the toxicity, the sugar issue, the EMF, whatever. There are ways to find out the blood test, which I will discuss you in more detail. The first thing is we do a CBC, complete blood count, okay, where we do the white blood cell and the red blood cell and all different kind of immune system testing. Okay, that's very important. We do inflammation panel, RA factor, NA, SLE, ESR, uric acid, anti-DNA, C-reactive protein, sedimentation rate. Okay. Cancer marker, alpha fetoprotein, CA, CA15-3 for breast cancer, tumor, TNF. You can pause it and read yourself, okay? You need to get all these done if you have cancer. Okay, to find out if you have anemia, you do ferritin, serum, iron, and TIBC. If you want to know if you have sugar, too much sugar in your system, you do the blood glucose, HbA1c. This is the primary tumor marker to see if you have a diabetes. Insulin antibody, glucose tolerance test. Okay. Now, when you have cancer, a lot of patients, when they have muscle pain, unexplained pain. Right? You go to every doctor, acupuncture, therapist, it doesn't work. The pain's still there because of the cancer. Okay. I want to see if your muscles is affected by the cancer. Creatine phosphokinase, creatine kinase. Okay. The kidney, urea, nitrogen, creatine, protein, albumin, globulin, lactate dehydrogenase. That's testing for kidney. Electrolytes, sodium, potassium, chloride, carbon dioxide, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, phosphorus, lactic acid, and the blood pH.